Hello, my friends. It's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? Happy Monday. So, I've been cleaning out, organizing, reorganizing, destashing. So, this past weekend, I went through my Halloween stuff. I don't have very much Halloween, but I have a few things, and so I decided just to see what I want to keep, what I want to destash. And right here, I'm showing you the destash. So, this will be one bundle in my shop, and that's it. This is all the Halloween stuff I have, so this is it. But yeah, there's quite a few things here, so great little things to use in junk journals and Halloween crafts. First of all, I have this little pack. I had this, this is from like 2006. It was around there. It was a scrapbook kit that I had bought way back then. Never used it, and then the last couple years I've used a little bit of it. And so this is what I have left. So it's kind of fall / Halloween. Like you can see, this one has candy corn. And I'll just do a little quick flip through. These are like, they're not quite cardstock, but they're not, paper. They're rather thick. And like this has little cauldrons and bats. Here you can see like a dark Halloween scene. And then this is more fallish with leaves, and here's a green, solid green. This has little pumpkins on this like checkerboard or plaid pattern. This is fall leaves. You've got different leaves there in different colors. This is a striped burgundy and light burgundy and darker burgundy, solid and more leaves. And so I think last year or the year before, I'm not sure which one, probably last year, maybe, but I printed on the back to, so they went, because they were just white on the back. And then I didn't end up using them in the journals I made last year, but I know I made 2 Halloween junk journals last year. One of them sold, and one of them I'm putting in my shop this year. So it is in there now. If you need a really awesome junk journal, Halloween junk journal, there's one in there. It's very cool, I think. So yeah, there is one Halloween journal in my shop right now. But yeah, I printed these on the back. They're just background paper so that you could either leave it like this if you're using it in a journal, or use it as a background to do whatever, decorate. So you can see this, I got four of that kind of orangey brown rust colored. I think it's really pretty, the 4. Yeah, and then I have a green one here, very pretty. And these were these are in, I think, one of my digital kit. I think they're in Mushroom Melody is what I think, but I'm not absolutely sure, but I think that's where I got them, and that is in my shop. But yeah, and this one's a purplish, really pretty. So yeah, these were painted by, I think these were painted by Michelle Gregory. So yeah, and then we all did that kit together at Studio 828E. Admins and moderators and things, we got together and made a kit, and this was Michelle's contribution. So they're great background papers, as you can see there. So that's one element of the bundle. This is a 1 or 2, I'm not sure how many. I think I took, it looks like 2 to me, that's why I'm saying 1 or 2, but I think it's 2 1975 around there Cricket magazines. This is what's left of them. I used some of the pages in my junk journals last year, and so there's quite a few pages left here, as you can see. If you've ever seen a Cricket magazine, they're very cool. I love them, actually, and I was tempted to keep these, but these were the October. That's why I used these. These were October, and I don't know if I have the copyright. I know it does say 1975 in here somewhere. I don't know if it has the month in here anywhere, though. See, right here it says 1975. But anyway, you get the idea. 1 or 2, what's left of Cricket magazines, vintage children's magazines. So that's that. Then I have some napkins, quite a few. Halloween. It's a pack I had bought, and I used some of these as, for decoupage. And here's one that's maybe partially used, but yeah, I cut out the little pumpkins and used them. I believe that's what I did. And decoupage, Mod Podged them on some whatever I was doing, semi-ephemera and things like that. So there's a bunch of those. Let's do this stack next, so it will stack up nicely over there, my little bundle. But here's some. This was in that scrapbook package I showed you at first. These, I haven't used any of these. Orange alphabet and numbers. And there's some question marks down here, it looks like, and exclamation points, little parentheses, and dots as equal or a dash or hyphen. Just all kinds of fun stuff you can use to spell things, words, and for Halloween. And then there's some stickers here. We've got different fall, like Thanksgiving, turkeys and, you know, pies and cornucopia and turkey and like these turkeys and this turkey before and after. And then here's Halloween. So we've got bats and candy and pumpkins and a little witch hat and broom and things, really cute. And then here is Halloween also, or I guess it's Halloween / fall, because look at this cute rake and candy apples, acorns, corn on the cob, just really cute. So those are all stickers. And then I used a bunch of these, but I have some left. These are, let's see, these are pumpkins. Let's see, I'm trying to see if they're, like this one, okay, so this is the front. Yeah, this is the front. So they're wooden. These are wooden. Like here's one too, wooden. See, here's the side of it. You see how thick they are. There's a little sticker dot on the back, which you can peel off. You can peel off the whole sticker if you want, or I'm trying to see, I think this is, I don't know. I think that sticker is worn off. The sticky part is worn off of this one possibly. But you can always add more glue to that, or just peel off that whole dot and use it. And you can paint these and decorate these in decoupage. You can probably punch, if you have a crocodile, you can probably punch a hole through there with your crocodile and make these into little charms and hang them on bowl pins or little, you know, ball chains or things like that. That's what I would do if I was going to keep these this year. I just thought of that, so I was like, oh, maybe I should, you know, keep some of these, but it's all right. I'll live without them. So yeah, that's all of those. You can see these have glitter. These are already, this is how they came. So you had the blank ones, and you have these orange, which you can draw eyes and, you know, or lines, just whatever you want to do artistically with these. So that's a bunch of those. Okay, let's see. So these were trims that were in that scrapbook pack and that I didn't use. I did use some of these. See how they're scalloped and they're just like punch outs. And so there's like two here. See that they divide right here. And then there's one here. Let's see this one. You see the different colors. This one has ghosts. And here's two little like corners meant to be, you know, used in. These would be great little corner pockets, wouldn't they? Little corner tuck spots. Those. Let's see what else I have here. Oh, these are from that too. See, here's where the corners come from. They punch out. So here's some more. These are all, you know, divided in the middle here. You just punch them out and use them how you wish. This is also a punch out. So you have layers here. Like here's one, and here's one. So you can all use them all three together or use them separate. This will be a great little frame for a scrapbook. That's what it was, a scrapbooking kit. So for a picture, you could put these over pictures and use those as frames or whatever, drilling spots. Make some ephemera. There's a packet of silk leaves here. Fall, you know, silk leaves, so different colors. You can kind of probably see, I'm just holding them in a way that the glare doesn't get you too bad, but you know, all the little fall colors, yellows, oranges, greens, and there looks like there's a gold one there. This was from that scrapbook kit too, I think. Yeah, I think so. Here's a corner. That probably went with that other corner. I think I had the other one over there, the other burgundy one. Yes, I did. I see it. I put it with it right now. And then all of these were in this little bag. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe I never opened this. Probably not. There was a lot in there. You know what I mean? There's a lot in that kit. So these are, let's see, a bat and some leaves, pumpkins, a witch hat, a cat, a black cat. Isn't that cute? The boo. And you punch out the middle of the letters there. So you have the word boo, and then more leaves. This was something else. I'll show you that in a second. A ghost. So you can draw on these or write on these. Use these for drilling cards or little, hang them from something. You know, put a little hole in there. You make tags. Leaves. And here's another pumpkin. This could be a frame. So you punch out the middle here, and this could be a frame, and then you can use the middle too if you want. And this is a punch out too, a cornucopia, but you could put a picture in there and use that as a frame. And what is this? Oh, this is a cute little card. I should keep this, but oh goodness, that's so cute. I guess I have it here, so I will include it. That's so adorable. I didn't know what it was. I thought it was one of these, but it's actually a card. I love that. Oh my goodness. So this is a piece of fabric. I found it just like this. Like, it was no bigger. I never used any of it yet, but I'm going to go ahead and part with it. I just need to reduce, you know, here in my craft room. So yeah, it's just candy corn fabric, and that's all of it that I ever had. And I just saw it at the thrift store. I was like, oh my goodness, candy corn fabric, you know, I've never seen that before. I brought it home. This is from the Cricket magazine. I just cut it out of the cover, I think, because I thought it was cute. And I kept it. I was going to do something with it, but I, you know, put it away. I didn't use it last year, so I still have it, and I didn't want to throw it out. It says Cricket there, and it has the little witches on there and a star. See all the little witches, and they're on there flying through this night sky, and they're on their brooms, but just adorable. Sorry about the glare. But yeah, that I have 4 brooms here. They're just little crafty, you know, brooms that I thought I would use, but I had not used. I think I just got these last year, and I just think I need to go ahead and reduce my stash here and include those. There's 4 of them. This is a little tag I made last year. I just sewed around some. I had copied some trick-or-treat paper bags, and that was this was what was left. I actually meant to include this in my bundle that I sold last year, and it got left out, so I still have it. So I thought I would include that. And let's do this next. This is a little bag of what I have left of 1 or 2 little pack of foam. These are like foam stickers. So yeah, the back peels off as a sticker, and you can stick it down or use it. You know, you could always put a little hole through there and hang it from something. But there's Ghost. I used a bunch of these last year too, but you know, there was a bunch that I bought, so I had a lot left. But you can see all the little bats. There's 2 different kind of bats, that one and this one. And pumpkins with eyes and without eyes. You know. So, oh, look at this one. This was nice and orange. That's a pretty one. So cute. Yeah, I can see why I bought them. So adorable. So lots of stuff you can craft with. And there's more in there that I didn't get out, but you can see how there's a bunch in there. So that's in a little Ziploc bag. And last but not, oh, this is not last but not least. Let me grab these because I need to get a little bag. I have some little Ziploc bags in the other room, but I did not bring one in here yet. But these are actually little words I cut out of, you know, when you buy a scrapbook paper pack, the little strip on the top that you cut off. It was, I'm thinking graphic 45 possibly. I might tell on one of these, but it had little words on this, the Halloween one, and so I cut them out. Like this one says haunted, spooky. I mean, how could I throw those in the trash, right? They're so usable. Spooky, there's a lot of spooky. Haunted. There's the pumpkins here, let's see, and on the back is haunted. So you're 2-sided, you know, you got like color on one side and a word on the other side. So a lot of haunted and spooky, looks like. Is that what they all are? Yep, I think so. Haunted and spooky, there you go. Lots of haunted and spooky words to use in paper crafting. So I will get a little bag, Ziploc bag, and put those in there. And then I have this one strip left of this ribbon. I think I used quite a bit of this last year too. But a little bit of pumpkin ribbon. Sorry if I'm trying to see where my camera's looking here. Yeah, it has a little piece of tape on the back end here, but you can, or I can peel that off. There we go. Yeah, I'll just peel that off for you. But yeah, that's all I have left of that. So I'm including that. I'm probably put it in this bag here actually, so it's not roaming around loose. And then I have, the very last thing I have is some more ribbon. It's a lot. I should keep some of it, but I guess I'm not. I put it here to destash. This is, see, I have to talk to myself about these things. But yeah, it's nice pet pumpkin ribbon. Quite quite a bunch of it. I have a little pin here holding it together, but let me open it and show you. They are different little jack-o'-lanterns there. So cute. So handy, right? So that I think is it. So this will be in my shop by the time you see this video. And this is the only Halloween Destash I have, because like I said, I didn't have that much. And I'm keeping a few things, but not very much. I just need to have some space in my closet. So this is how I'm doing it. All right. Oh, let me put the this ribbon in here. I'll tell you what, as a little bonus, I'll include a couple more things. If you're still here watching, you'll see I will include some special things from my own personal stash that I'm keeping. I'll include a few of these. Let me see how many I have. I don't have that many. These are vintage, very vintage Halloween bags. So there's 2 of those. Let me see what else I have. I have my stuff still out. No, I put most of my stuff away except for these Halloween bags because I love them so much. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but there's one of those with a witch, pumpkin, and ghost. Let's see what else I have here. Here's a pumpkin. I'll include one of these. Hold on, let me get it out. This will be a special little gift from me. In this bundle, like I said, it's the only one. So I got one of those ones. See, I don't have very many of these. And I'll include 2. Let me see if I have one that's open here. 2 of these, if I have one. Let me see. Oh, here's one. Yeah, let me get 2 of these because I have a few of these, but not that many. Okay, so there we go. Special little extra bonus because these are awesome from me if you buy this pack. So you get... Aren't these awesome? I love these so much. Oh, there's 2 here. Look. Okay, I put it in. It has to stay now. 1 of these and 2 of these. Let's see. So it's 2 of everything. Oh, it's not 2 of these. Oh, it is 2 of these. Let me see how many of these I have. Hold on. I'll include 1 more of these, I think. Just so we're even. We have 2, even though I don't have very many of these. Okay. All right. Now I'm happy. Okay, so I wasn't even planning on doing this, but I just was thinking, wouldn't it be cool? Oh, I have 3 of these. Hold on. Somebody's coming in the house, so you might hear something, but yeah, that is it. 2 of each of these. So that's, what is that? 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that is it. So thank you for watching. This will be in my shop. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Happy crafting.